Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to verify your age on ChatGPT using the official ChatGPT Help Center. If you're seeing an age-related notification or you're being asked to verify that you're 18 or older, I'll explain where to find the official verification option and what to expect during the process. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to ChatGPT. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to verify. Once you're logged in, open your profile menu and look for the Help option. From there, select Help Center. The Help Center is the best place to start because age verification options can depend on your account and location, and the available process can change over time. Inside the Help Center, search for the official article related to age prediction in ChatGPT. Open the relevant article and look for the section about verifying your age if you're 18 or older. If your account is eligible, the article will provide the option or instructions to begin the verification process. It's important to understand that you don't necessarily need to verify your age simply to continue using ChatGPT. If your account is already working with the appropriate protections enabled, you may not need to take any additional action. Age verification may be relevant if you're 18 or older and want ChatGPT to determine whether those protections should be removed. If ChatGPT asks you to complete verification, sign in to ChatGPT on the web and open Settings. Under your account settings, check whether your account is currently placed in a teen experience. If you see an option labeled Verify Age, select it and follow the instructions shown on screen. Depending on the verification process available to your account, you may be directed to Persona, a third-party service used to help complete age verification. Follow the instructions carefully and only provide the information requested by the official ChatGPT verification process. Also, keep in mind that the exact screens and requirements can vary depending on your country, account, and current ChatGPT experience. For example, some regions may have specific deadlines or additional requirements if you're asked to verify your age. So always follow the instructions displayed on your own account and use the official ChatGPT Help Center rather than relying on third-party websites. Once the verification process is completed, return to ChatGPT and check your account to see whether the age-related status has been updated. And that's it. That's how you can find and complete the official age verification process on ChatGPT. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more ChatGPT tutorials and helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.